Now children, in the last class we did question number B. I hope children you have done in your grammar books, and today we are going to do question number C. Now here fill in the blanks using the past tense form of the verbs given in brackets. This we have to do children. Present form you have already done. Now here present form words are given in brackets. You have to change them into the past form. Past form means, past tense means the time that is over. Okay. Now here it's written, the policemen dash after the thief, and the verb given in bracket is run. The past tense of run is ran. Okay. So you are going to write here R-A-N, ran. Children, you will have to learn the past tense of all these words. Okay. Verbs given in brackets. You have to learn them. Okay. Next is Garima dash well. In the bracket it is written write. The past tense of write is wrote. Garima wrote well. What does it mean? That she has already written her work. She has already completed her work. Okay. So this is why it is past tense. Okay. Past tense verb. So coming to the third one, the child dash without toys. The bracket verb is play. Past tense of play is played. The child played without toys. That means he was playing without toys. Okay, his playing work is already over. So that time whenever he was playing without the toys. So past tense of play you will write played, ed. Okay. A clever fox dash into the deep well. The past tense of fall is fell. Okay. A clever fox fell into the deep well. Next is the fox dash out of the well and dash away. So past tense of jump is jumped. Okay. And again run you will write here ran, R-A-N, ran. Okay. Next is my uncle dash me a gift on my birthday. Past tense of give is gave. What does it mean? That your uncle has already given you the gift. So that time is already over. You have already received the gift. So in place of give you will write G-A-V-E, gave. Okay. Next is Shivani dash her lunch. Past tense of take is took. That means she already had her lunch. She has already finished eating. In the same manner children, Nirmala opened the door. Okay. Opened ed. We dashed for a walk yesterday. Past tense of go is went. Okay. We went for a walk yesterday. Smita dash a pink frock. Past tense of wear is wore. Number 11. The monkey climbed the tree. Okay. The horse jumped over the fence. I have just had tea. Past tense of has is had, H-A-D, had. Okay. 14th one, the car banged into the wall. Bang, past tense is banged, ed you will add. Okay. That means it dashed into the wall. Okay. It hit the wall. The player dashed the catch. Dropped. Okay. You will add double P. Here D-R-O-P-P-E-D will be the correct spelling. Okay children. So this you do. Coming to the future tense children. Fill in the blanks using the future tense forms of the verbs given in brackets. Now I have already explained you. In future tense children you only have to add will or shall, and this verb you will add. Okay. The same word you will write, but along with that you have to add will or shall. Now where are you going to add will? Where are you going to add shall? You can write will or shall, anyone children. Okay, both are correct. But still there are some places where I'll tell you the rules. Now wherever you are talking about I pronoun and we pronoun. Okay children, once again you all here. With the pronoun I and we, generally we write shall. Okay, I और we के साथ generally हम लोग shall लिखते हैं. Okay, then will कब लिखते हैं? Will we write when we are talking about something like promise or something like a strong determination. I'll give you some examples. Now children, look here. Now, I shall play football. We shall watch the dance. Now with I told you, with I pronoun and we pronoun generally we use shall, children. Now when are we going to use will? When? Now we are going to use will when we are sure of doing something, or when we are determined of doing something, or when we are making a promise to someone. Suppose you are making a promise to your parents. This time I will get good marks. That means you are determined to get good marks. Okay. In the same manner, I will get A+ grade. So that means you are very sure that you are going to get this grade. So when you are strongly determined of doing something, children, then you can use I will. Otherwise, generally we use I shall or we shall. Even if you write here will, both are correct. But generally we try using shall with I and we. Okay. So let us solve the exercises now. So the first one is, the monkeys will jump from the tree. The fielder will catch the ball. Just you have to add will or shall with the verb, children. Same verb, okay? You will need my help. He will win the first prize. Now again see here, children, it's written I. So you write down, I shall get up at 6 in the morning. This chair will cost me 120 rupees. Next is, see, we is given. So you write, we shall go for a picnic tomorrow. They shall stay here for a week. I shall finish my homework by 2 o'clock. Next is, Suzanne will wear a new dress on her birthday. I shall play football after school today. So likewise, children, you have to complete all 15. Okay, you do it in your book. And with this, we complete this particular chapter. Very neatly you try to complete your work. And then now we will meet in the next class. Till then, children, have a good day.